to have you here. Today we're going to talk about selling Amazon KDP low content books on TikTok, and we're going to share with you some powerful strategies for achieving TikTok success selling these beautiful low content book. Now, this is a cost-effective method and it can significantly boost sales for low content books such as coloring books, journals, planners, and notebooks. And if you are seeking a game-changing strategy that will be manageable for your budget, discover the potential that TikTok has to offer. It is one of the best marketing platforms out there. Now, first of all, let's talk about the power of TikTok marketing for low content books. And just before we get into the video, I'd like to remind you that if you're interested in videos such as these, as well as passive income strategies, tips and tricks, profitable Amazon KDP keywords, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now, let's just talk about the power that TikTok has in terms of marketing low content books and how we can be able to utilize this wonderful platform. Now, you can effectively market your books. It requires a multifaceted approach. So it requires a strategy, and TikTok has emerged as a dynamic platform for reaching diverse audiences. And in this video, I'm going to discuss why TikTok deserves your attention, how its algorithm works in your favor, and how to harness its potential to skyrocket your low content book sales. So the algorithm of TikTok, how does it work? TikTok's algorithm presents a refreshing perspective for marketers and self-publishers. Unlike other platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, it doesn't prioritize factors like your follower count, your past performance, or the age of your account. Instead, what happens here is that TikTok focuses on the engagement that is generated by your last published video. So viewers who resonate with your content, they gain momentum, and that way you'll be able to reach a wider audience regardless of your previous TikTok experience and the size of your account. This algorithm approach makes TikTok particularly enticing for those who are new to having an account and those aiming to make a swift impact. Now, let's talk about some of the low content book categories that you can take advantage and how you can be able to utilize TikTok to sell more of these low content books. First of all, we'll start with journal prompts. If you do publish journal prompts on Amazon KDP, and this even applies to Etsy, if you have an Etsy store or if you have a Gumroad store and you sell digital downloads, you can utilize TikTok. If you are selling journal prompts, and that includes blank journals, guided journal prompts, what TikTok does, it offers many opportunities for you. You can start off by crafting videos showcasing your journal prompts, offering insights on effectively how to use these prompts. Maybe, taking a video of yourself actually filling out one of these prompts, making a video talking about the top 4 prompts, for example, for self-care or for creativity or whatever it is the topic of your journal is. So these videos, they don't necessarily need to feature your face. Do keep that in mind, but it does play a big role once you feature your face, if that is an option for you. You can also highlight the prompts against visually appealing backgrounds, and you can do so in Canva as well. You can schedule them to be uploaded on TikTok that way. So what about if you are selling coloring books? So contrary to the popular belief that you must possess exceptional artistic talent to promote coloring books on TikTok, this has been debunked. You need to start off with simple videos of you coloring the pages, sample pages of your coloring book, and demonstrating basic coloring techniques can play a big difference, can have a huge impact on gaining popularity. So either take a digital or an actual paper version of one of the sheets of your coloring book and just color it in along with nice music as well. That would also play a big role. Try to make it aesthetic, try to make it appeasing to watch as well. So viewers are drawn to the accessible and uncomplicated approach that they can replicate themselves. The third type of low content books is planners and notebooks. How can you use TikTok to advertise or to talk about your planners and notebooks? Well, you basically can utilize them by just writing in your notebook, having a cover that is very appealing as well. Simplicity and relatability is key when you are trying to promote your planners and your notebooks and your organizers. So present your audience just a sneak peek of how you set up your planner, your design themed layouts, and how you utilize your notebooks, what you write in your notebooks, how you use your planner to organize your day, and just have tell a story about how your planner has changed the way you organize your life, your to-do list, that kind of stuff. Also, the fourth type of low content book is the kids activity books. So you can start off here by making videos showing how you create, how you print, how you design, your assemble process of the kids activity book. Also, if you have children that are either your own or relatives of yours, and you can also take a video of them without that showing their faces to protect their privacy, on how they use these activity books. Just show their hands and how they color in and how they complete specific activities. Talk about different activities that are inside your activity book. For example, cut and paste, scissor skills, mix and match, these kind of stuff, and how they are educational and how you are able to kind of help your child or help children to improve specific skills that they have using your activity book. So the influence of a straightforward also unboxing video would be a great idea of you unboxing your activity book, or featuring a child that unboxes an activity book that they have received as a gift. Does wonders for your promotional methods as well. And it also often gets the people on TikTok asking questions about purchasing your book. Where can I purchase this? And also making duets as well would be amazing. That way, with other friends and family who have received the activity book, who are doing the unboxing, doing some reviews as well, would be nice also. Now let's talk about some powerful strategies for achieving success on TikTok selling low content book. First of all, the first tip and the first strategy is to embrace simplicity. So mastering the art of video editing or extensive content creation experience, it's not really a prerequisite for TikTok success. You don't need to go ahead and make perfectly edited videos. Sometimes all it takes is 1 or 2 videos to go viral, and you'll get a lot of attraction, and also make different types of videos. So you have this unboxing video, you have a review video, you have a video where you kind of talk about your daily routine, and then incorporate one of the low content types, such as an organizer, and how you fill in the organizer at the beginning of your day, or a gratitude journal, and feature the link as well, would make a big difference in that. So there are numerous viral videos that actually embrace a straightforward and unpolished style. So prioritizing content is important. So try to be consistent with your content. The second strategy is hands-on engagement. So showcasing hands-on interaction with your book really does resonate well with viewers. So whether you're seen writing in a journal, coloring page, or using a planner, relatable actions capture attention. So as I said, show your hands. Try to, if it's an option, try to show your face talking about the book. Try to get reviews and stuff. Feature positive reviews about your book, and make videos for each of these positive reviews, thanking the customer. The third strategy is consistency always counts. Regular posting, what that does is it enhances visibility, it enhances engagement. And your first couple of videos, if they're not gaining instant traction, that should not discourage you. It just takes time. The right content can gain popularity at any point, and sometimes it only takes one video to go viral, and then that's it, your account is blowing up. So don't be discouraged, stay patient and stay consistent. The fourth strategy is to always engage with your audience. Respond to every single comment. Respond when the viewers ask you a question about purchasing your book. Respond when they're asking you if a specific thing is included in your book or not. Try to also use that feedback and these questions as a way to improve your low content book. Include a link in your bio. It's so effective. Interaction fuels interest. It motivates potential buyers to take strong steps. to purchasing your book and becoming loyal customers. The fifth strategy is to leverage challenges. Challenges, they capture viewer interest, they encourage participation. Consider launching a 30-day journaling challenge or a 30-day coloring book challenge to reduce stress, for example, to maintain your audience engagement over time. So TikTok is an amazing platform. It offers a space for anyone to shine, especially if you are using it to sell low content books. So if you have enjoyed this video, then click on the like button. I really appreciate your feedback. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.